So what's up, guys? I'm starting this video already 7 times. I don't know, it just somehow doesn't work today. There are some days that nothing is working. So what's up, guys? Did you realize that I'm shooting this video on the new camera and it's in 4K? I'm pretty sure it's in 4K. And the review on this camera is going to be out on Friday, and I have to say I'm really obsessed with the capabilities of this camera, and I'm going to be sharing everything what I have learned so far about this camera. And honestly, this is one of my best investment for YouTube. So I hope you realize the difference. Anyway, guys, in this video I'd like to share with you 7 methods how to monetize your Instagram account. Also, I'm going to be sharing a method that was discovered just really recently on Instagram, so keep on watching. Let's begin. What's up, guys? This is Tatiana. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button to not miss any of my videos, like the videos that is going to be about this little baby camera. And also, don't forget to follow the Social Mafia Instagram account, where I'm sharing even more tips and tricks about Instagram marketing. So guys, I know that many of you really appreciated the video that I published like a month ago. It's about the monetization on Instagram, and it's about the whole process, how to start monetizing your Instagram within Instagram. So kind of they replicate the YouTube monetization program to Instagram, inserting ads into the IGTV. However, the whole process is not as easy as it seems, and this feature of monetizing, you have to fulfill a lot of requirements, and it's not working that perfect, at least for now. At least I didn't hear any kind of good reviews. I mean, I'm personally not monetized on Instagram by Instagram. So of course there are a lot of other methods to monetize your Instagram account, and yeah, you don't need to wait until you get a certain numbers of followers on Instagram, watch hours and stuff like this. All you need to do is to have an idea and knowing one of the methods how you want to monetize your Instagram account. And all of these methods that I'm going to be sharing here are not working separately. You can really combine 1 or 2, even 4 methods together to get the most out of it. And for me personally, Instagram is the main source of income. It's the place where I'm acquiring new clients, even though you will not find anywhere that I'm promoting that I want to get new clients, because I'm not, and I was never doing it before, because that's how people find me, because of my content, my consistency, because of my message, and they felt that they trust me and they hired me as their social media strategist, or let's call it like this. But at the moment I'm not promoting, and I actually was never promoting myself on Instagram. It's, as I said, organically because of the message that I'm putting on my Instagram account. I was getting clients, but right now I'm not getting any new clients, because I received messages from you guys about how much my services cost. I do not take any cases anymore, because I want to focus more on YouTube growth and producing more quality videos for you guys, and also working on something that would be more useful than just helping one client. So let's begin with method number 1. And the method number 1 is earning money with affiliate marketing. You probably already heard about affiliate marketing. So let me just explain it to you in a very simple way. So let's say you like to travel, right? So I would assume if you like to travel that once you open your Instagram account, it's all about travel pictures. And you can start earning thanks to that without doing much. All you have to do is to search the affiliate programs of the services that you use yourself. If you're a traveler, you probably use booking.com. So it's the biggest booking platform for hotels, apartments, and stuff like this. They have an affiliate program. Once you assign to this affiliate program, in most of the cases, you're going to get your personalized links, and you have to put these links, of course, into your Instagram profile bio, or if you have 10K, promote it from time to time in stories, put it in the story highlights so people can always access it, promote it via post and all that stuff. So what it does is, once people use your link, your affiliate link, they will get a certain discount, and you in return will get money. So the affiliate programs really vary from service to service. You have to really read their requirements and what they're offering. Such companies as Airbnb, instead of giving money for affiliate marketing, they provide points they can you use later for booking your apartments on Airbnb and all that stuff. So it's really depends on the company and what kind of affiliate programs they have. All you need to do is to type in your favorite service and start searching and reading their requirements for affiliate program. I personally, you will find on my website, which is down right now, but my developer is working on that. But anyway, in the normal days, my website is working, and there you will find affiliate links to the programs that I personally use every single day, such as Trello, TubeBuddy. I really like it for YouTube marketing. I love Canva, and I always talk about this, and I work a lot in Canva, and other services that I personally use. So I'm assigned to their affiliate programs, and once someone is using my link, I'll get based on the service, based on the company, either it's going to be some points or even 3 months of their service or even money. So guys, it's really easy, and believe me, you'll find affiliate programs for any kind of niche. If you're a photographer, you're interested in photography equipment, Amazon can be a great solution for that. If you like to read books, if you like to watch movies, you will always find affiliate programs to start promoting it and getting money from this. And we move to the method number 2. I couldn't put aside about influencers, right? Because we see this beautiful world that influencers, or beautiful life that influencers live. They travel, they work with high-end brands and all that stuff. So kind of luxury life, of course, who doesn't want to live this kind of life? And if that's what really comes to your heart, that's what really wants you to become an influencer, to travel, to live this kind of life, then go ahead and do that. I'm just warning you, it's a tough job. It's really a lot of job, but you have to be consistent with your dream. And if you start right now, I guarantee you that within some time you will be able to succeed to that point. And I really promise, and honestly, you don't have to be a big influencer to start working with your favorite brands, because micro influencers, the one that doesn't have huge amount of followers on Instagram, also are very interesting for brands, even for international big brands. So this is kind of not a must to have 100k or 1 million followers on Instagram to have this real life. And I have a really good news for you. Beside that, which is not really good news, beside that it's a really tough job to succeed to that point, you can make this as your full-time job, being an influencer. Because being an influencer, all these influencers, it's their full-time job. That's how they live. If you guys think that it's still not possible to grow your Instagram account, you know what I tell you, like 3-4 years ago, people were telling the same. It wasn't possible to become an influencer anymore. And people were telling me a year ago, it's not possible to grow YouTube channel and all that stuff. So it's just people all the time tell that. It's just, I would not believe in that. I would just focus on what you really want to do and keep this goal in your mind, work hard, and it will start to pay off. Promise me, I get this with YouTube. So we're gonna move to the method number 3. Direct sales on Instagram. All right, you don't have to have an online shop to start selling products on Instagram. If you like, let's say knitting, you like some handcraft stuff, anything, or maybe you're a coach or you like to sell ebooks or anything, really anything. Instagram can be a great platform for starting this, and you don't need to invest money in order to build online shop, to learn all about search engine optimization and all that stuff. All you need to do is to have an Instagram profile, and right now it's super easy to set up shopping on Instagram. You just have to create Facebook catalog with your products and connect your Facebook account with your Instagram account, and here you go, ready. And plus, I was mentioning in one of my videos, really recent videos, that YouTube is introducing user-friendly shopping experience on Instagram, so people will be able to purchase your products right from Instagram, which is super cool, and it's going to be a huge game changer. So really, if you're having any physical product, not even physical, it can be digital products, Instagram is a great platform to start doing that. But just make sure that you're consistent with your product. Just always think in this way. So once a stranger comes to your Instagram profile, he has to understand what you're doing there, right? So you literally have 2 or 3 seconds to capture the attention of the stranger to your profile. And you have to be consistent with what you're posting, with the message. So just, if you're not sure where you're going, how you're going, just open your Instagram account, show it to someone who you know, or even who you don't know, and ask, what do you think is my Instagram profile about? Ask several people, and then you will get this reaction. You will know on which points you have to work. So you just bring this message, what you're selling, what your Instagram is about, and this concerns every method that I'm talking here, because if you want to sell something, you have to be consistent with the content that you publish there, because Instagram, in the end, it's a visual platform, and it's important in order to get sales. It's important to have this consistent look and the message of what exactly your Instagram is about. Number 4, my favorite one. So this might be not really clear, but if you are a talented designer, graphic designer, if you understand a little bit of coding and logic, which is not really necessary, but I feel like with these skills you can go really high level, designing AR filters for stores. So you probably know, all of you, these story filters with different stuff lying around, and you know that you can now test how your lipstick is gonna look just right in stores from many brands. This is one of the most requested job related to Instagram, because augmented reality is offering absolutely other level of experience, and many brands are looking for such talents in order to make their experience of selling and shopping experience on Instagram is even more comfortable, because right now you can, with story filters, try the makeup, you can try glasses and all that stuff. So what you have to do is basically learn how to use Spark AR, which is the program where you design all these filters. Check out their website. It's an official program from Facebook. Also make sure to check their Facebook group. It's really cool community. I was making the video how to make this story filter yourself, and some brands are really eager to pay good, really decent money for these. Like, I know that for designing quite a simple story filter, which for me, because I was learning how to do that, I was once really interested in that like a year ago, because the boom on that became a year ago, and I was learning how to do all this stuff. So like really not super complicated one, 3D elements, the company was offering for $500, and for me it would take, and I'm not really good neither with designing or coding, well, a little bit with logic, it's fine. But I was watching a lot of tutorials. I did a course about this. So it would take me like maybe 3 to 4 hours to get $500, which is really good money, right? This is a great way to start earning money if you're really interested in that. There is really tons of tutorial on YouTube that are absolutely for free, and you can start designing it. It's really catchy thing. And this platform where you design it is absolutely for free. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box so you can go ahead and check them. And if you're really interested in that, yeah, go ahead and start doing it, because believe me, if you have a portfolio of certain masks or your work, and you will just, write companies that you're offering the services, they all go crazy about this. So believe me, you will start earning money right away. Number 5. Offer a consultation or coaching. This is kind of a popular thing right now on Instagram. If you're any kind of coach, sport coach, maybe a meditation coach, or you provide some finance consultations and all that stuff. If you're an expert within specific area, if you're really developed in this area, Instagram is perfect platform for this, because besides putting an image there, you can also put a text to provide the knowledge and to tell the audience who are following you and who starts to follow you that you're an expert within this field. And you can start acquiring the clients like this. So which has happened in my case. This was my case because that's what I provide on Instagram, the knowledge for free. And people believe me, they trust me because of the words that I give, because of the message and tips that I give on my Instagram account. They hire me as their consultant, as their coach or strategist. There are a lot of terms for that. So it's a great platform. But again, remember, be consistent with the message that you bring there. Number 6, That wasn't 6, number 6, which is also my really favorite thing, is creating content for brands. As you know, there are more and more small brands start doing Instagram accounts, and if you're a photographer, not even if you have really good hands with holding the phone camera, if you really like to make snaps, if you have a good vision, you can start creating content for brands, because the brands have a huge problem on Instagram. They do understand that Instagram is a great platform to start their business, to expand their business, start to generate sales, generate brand awareness. But unfortunately, especially it comes to small brands, they do not have resources nor time for creating content specifically for Instagram account. But as we know, Instagram is in the end a visual platform, and to have a quality image of the products this brand selling is really, really crucial. So this is a gap that I have realized, and a lot of brands really need a content creator. So if you're really good with the camera, with even phone camera, offer your services. So to start building your portfolio. And once you reach out the brands that are located within the place where you live, just offer them your services. You can charge little price or even do it for free for the sake of building portfolio. The brands on the other side do not have a lot of risk for hiring you, because in the end, if they don't like the work, they can still say no, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna love your work. And the point here is building up your portfolio. And believe me, once you build up your portfolio with the cases of shots of the products, the brands will start to contact you themselves without you promoting much, because it's a really, really demanding job on Instagram, if I can say so. Freelancing, guys, if you're a freelancer, Instagram is a great platform to use Instagram as a portfolio, right? For this, you don't need to have a website. You can use Instagram to showcase your work. And I myself always searching for talents. If I need a graphic designer, for me, it's easier to use Instagram as a platform to find the great talents, because once I find someone, I can say that if I like their style of work or not. So if I like, of course, contact this person, and then we are working together. But of course, working with the freelance platforms is more secure in terms of payment and all this legal side of the freelance work. But you can have both. You can work with the freelance platform and Instagram to showcase your products. And guys, the last tip here that I want to share with you, if you already have an established community on Instagram, because I know many of you who follow my YouTube channel have quite a big audiences. And as you know, one of the way to start earning money once you have a decent amount of followers on Instagram is selling a paid shout out. So someone is paying you for putting a story about this person or even Instagram post, right? But there is another way that I was talking recently in one of my latest videos, July Instagram updates 2020, pinned comment. There I explain how it works. And this can be another way to start earning money, to sell pinned comments. This type of advertisement would look more natural, would look more native, because you will have to ask your customer to comment something relevant under your post, and then for money you can pin the comment. And here you are, and this comment will get a lot of exposure if you have a pretty good engagement on your Instagram profiles. And yeah, guys, this is another way of earning money on Instagram. That was it for today. I hope you learned something new. If you learned something new, make sure to thumbs up, or how do you say that? Well, anyway, like my video. I would really appreciate it, and it will also help for the algorithm to promote my videos so more people can see it. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, or topics you want me to make my future videos on, always write it in the comments below, because I create content based on your requests.